Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Shisak Tombo. In this video, I'm going to talk about the important information that has been notified by the Nagaland University Lumami campus for the resumption of offline academic activities. So let's get started. Nagaland University Lumami campus has officially announced the resumption of offline academic activities with the effect from 1st October 2021. And here are some points which you should know before coming to Nagaland University Lumami campus. On the first point, they have mentioned that all members of the faculty shall be available in the departments from 1st October 2021. That includes all the faculty members of the particular department to be present from 1st October 2021. On the second point, they have mentioned that the third semester students shall arrive at the campus or hostel during 15th and 16th October 2021. So they have finally made a decision that the third semester students can arrive to the hostel or campus during 15th and 16th October. That is Friday and Saturday. So you should book the tickets ahead so that you won't face any problems while coming to the campus. On the third point, they have mentioned that offline classes for the third semester students will begin with effect from 18 October 2021. So the offline classes for third semester students will begin from 18 October 2021. That is Monday. Next point, they have mentioned that arrival of the first semester students to the campus shall begin on 1st November 2021 after allotment of hostel seats. So once your hostel seats are allotted, the first semester students can arrive to the campus from 1st November onwards. On the fifth point, they have mentioned that those students who are arriving to the campus shall produce a negative test report for COVID-19. So these are the criteria that you need to follow. That is, for RAT, you should have 48 hours before arrival, and for RT-PCR, you'll be given 74 hours before arrival. So once you reach the campus, the authority will ask for a negative report and you need to produce this negative report before the authority. Next point, they have mentioned that if any students develops any symptoms of COVID-19 after arriving in the campus, he or she shall immediately report the matter to the hostel warden or head of the department concerned or dean of students welfare. So if you have any symptoms of COVID-19, then you need to immediately report to the concerned authority. On the seventh point, we have that the university administration will earmark one building temporarily for isolating anyone found having COVID-19 symptoms. If you have this kind of symptoms, then the university will keep one building temporarily for isolating the students. Next point, they have mentioned that the university health center will arrange preliminary health checkup of all students arriving in the campus. On the ninth point, they have mentioned that thermal scanning facility will provide in all academic departments. So there are more than 13 departments where thermal scanning facility will be provided. On the 10th point, they have mentioned that all students and faculty shall ensure mandatory compliance of COVID-19 appropriate behavior. That is, we should wear face masks, maintaining social distancing, and using hand sanitizer in the department. On the next point, they have mentioned that SOP and the COVID appropriate behavior issued by the center and the state government from time to time shall be implemented with strict compliance. So these are the important points that has been notified by the Nagaland University Lumami campus. So with this, I want to end my video. Thank you and keep watching Shisak Tombo.